how to delete Facebook account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Facebook account within the Facebook app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So Facebook recently updated the menu to delete your Facebook account. Check the description because any updates they do, I'll always make a new video and I'll post it there in case this one is no longer working. So to get started, simply open up the Facebook app, then select the menu button next to the Facebook logo in the top left. Once the menu opens up, scroll down and you just want to select Settings and Privacy and then select Settings. Once in the settings, select Account Center, and then in Account Center, scroll down and select Manage Accounts. Once there, select Manage next to the account that you want to delete. Then once in that Facebook account, select Deactivation or Deletion. You now just need to select Delete and then Continue. Give them a reason for why you want to delete your Facebook account and then select Continue. They're going to give you a remedy based on what you selected. So you can redo that and then select Continue. And now they're going to show you what will be permanently deleted. They're going to give you the option to deactivate your account instead, which basically makes it look deleted, but you can reactivate it by simply logging back in. They'll also give you the option to save your post and export all your information. So go through that, do what you want to, and then select Continue. You then need to enter your Facebook account password. Once you do that, select Continue. They'll confirm one more time that you do indeed want to permanently delete your Facebook account, and after that, it will be permanently deleted. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.